Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare chicken kebab. For this recipe I have taken 200 grams chicken. This is boneless and I have cubed them. Here I have taken ginger garlic paste. This is 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste for 200 grams of chicken. Salt as per our taste. I am not going to add the whole salt. Black pepper powder. A pinch you need. Red chili powder as per your taste. Be careful by adding red chili powder because I am going to add the ready-made kebab masala also that is available in the market. You can use any kind that is available. So this also contains red chili powder. So be very careful while adding some extra red chili powder to it. You can also add red food color. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm going to beat it. Oil for cooking. And at the same time, I have soaked the Swickers here. So now let's start cooking. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to marinate the chicken. As you can see, I have cut them into small cubes. I am going to add all these masalas to it as per my taste, and I have taken a small piece of lime also. So let me first put little ginger garlic. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste I have put. Now I am going to add the kebab masala. For 200 grams of chicken I am going to add half teaspoon of kebab masala. You can increase the ratio as if you want your kebab to be a little bit more spicy. Little bit red chili powder. As I said, a pinch of black pepper powder. Salt as per our taste. And I'm going to mix it. At the same time, I'll beat the curd also, the yogurt that I have kept aside, and I'm going to add it to this. There I have finished beating the yogurt, so I'm going to add it. 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and I'll mix it now. After mixing, I will keep it aside for near about half an hour so that the marination goes completely inside. Now it's been half an hour. What I'm going to do, I'll take a Swicker. I have soaked the Swicker for near about 20 minutes in the water, and then we'll take the pieces and we will slowly push it inside the Swicker. And we'll keep it aside here. Taking the next, I'll repeat the same for all the pieces. Coat it little bit with masala. And how I'm going to prepare this is, I'm going to prepare this in a pan or a karhai. The sweakers are easily available in the market. I'll just put this little bit here so that it does not hang. This has a little bit I'll put it here. So here are my sweakers ready. Now let's heat little oil in a pan just to coat the pan. So I have just coated the pan with the oil, and here my sweakers are ready, my kebabs. So my oil is heated. What I'll do, I'll just place these kebabs into the oil. Your flame should be medium. Should be medium so that the chicken inside gets cooked properly. Turn the sweakers a little bit. So now let it get cooked for some time. We'll just leave it like this, let it get fry and get cooked inside. So I have cooked this for near about 15 minutes, and I'll cook it for another 5 minutes, just turning the sweaker and checking. Friends, when this is fried, we keep a small piece of charcoal and we add little oil or ghee in that, and we cover the pan so that the smoke of the charcoal gives a little smoky flavor to the kebabs. But due to the lockdown, I don't have the charcoal right at the moment, so I will not be able to make it give it a smoky flavor. But you can do the same. If required, we can just put little oil or brush little oil to our recipe so that the kebabs are not dry. You can also brush it with butter, which will give a very good taste. So I'll cook this for another 5 minutes. So friends, now our kebabs are ready. As I have said earlier, this is the time when you put off the flame and you give it a little smoky flavor. I'm going to put off the flame. And now we'll plate the same. So friends, here is our kebabs ready, our seekh kebabs, chicken seekh kebabs ready. I have garnished it with onion rings, little chopped green chilies, a piece of lemon, and serve this with the green chutney. Isn't it easy? It's very easy, very tasty and quick to make. You can make this at any time of the day and relish it. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.